Select plane, select sketch, select circle, select this point here, escape, select this circle, select this line, and select make tangent. Features, Extruded Boss, from blind to mid-plane, think 30 is fine, select OK, select linear pattern drop-down menu, and select mirror, mirror face plane, expand this arrow here, and select front plane, features to mirror, select Boss Extrude, select OK. Edit component, go to the vice body, the part 1 that we just created, click once, another one, to allow me to give a name for this component, and type here handle pin, select enter, select save, save all, externally, OK. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to design the pin in order to have our handle fixed in place